first Ciberlado, our instructor. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Geraldine D. Rivera from BSED Math 3A. This is my final demonstration in FS1. So, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Before we start, everybody is requested to stand for a prayer. So, Mr. Agustin, please.
Class. Let's pray. In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, art in heaven, with your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
So, before you take your seat, you have some pieces of paper and arrange your chairs. Class secretary, kindly check your for today's attendance.
Ma'am, ako checking. No one is absent, ma'am.
Okay. What was our last topic, class? Mr. Alopi.
Our topic was all about the area of composite figures.
Okay, thank you. Who can give the formula of square? Sheila.
Ma'am, the formula of square is area A is equal to side times its side. So area A is equal to S times X.
Okay, thank you. Then, very good, class. Do you have any clarification or previous topic?
None so far, ma'am.
So, now we will proceed to our new topic. So, but before that, what will you do if your teacher is talking here in front?
Listen, ma'am.
How about in every activity?
Cooperate and relate, ma'am.
Can I speak that from the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, class, I have here a picture. Based on that picture, what have you observed, class? So, what do you observe, class? A picture.
Based on my knowledge, that's all shapes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. How about the others? Christian.
They can also solid.
Okay, very good. So our topic for today is all about surface area of solid figures. So, but before that, let us all read our objectives. Can you read? Miss Sheila.
Okay, ma'am, our objectives for this topic. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to A. Identify the solid figures, B. Solve the surface area of solid figures, C. Appreciate the importance of solid figures in real life.
Okay, thank you. Okay, class, I will group you into 4 groups. Examine the given in the following table. Classify the figures into their corresponding columns. This is, So I will give you this shape. So cooperate. So the given figures is two-dimensional figures and the three-dimensional figures. Can you post this? Where is that? Two-dimensional figures and three-dimensional figures. So, Mr. Alfredo. This is two-dimensional figures. And Patricia. Sheila. Christian. And three-dimensional figures. Aljon. Who else? Three-dimensional figures. Favorite. And the last three-dimensional. So now I will check your work. Okay. Okay, very good class. You identify that two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures for now. We will elaborate more the topic. May kindly read the meaning of surface area. Miss Jella.
In one surface area is the sum of the areas of the bases and the lateral faces of a solid figure. Surface area is short in square units such as centimeter square, feet squared, and other units. One way to find the surface area of a solid figure is to find the area of the nets.
Very good. So, surface area prism. A prism is a polyhedron that has two congruent parallel faces called bases. There are many kinds of prism. A prism is named according to the shape. So, this is a shape of prism. There are six surfaces in a rectangular prism. It is composed of two rectangular bases and four rectangular lateral faces. Rectangular prism has 8 vertices and 12 edges. The surface area of rectangular prism is the total area of the top, bottom, front, back, left side, and right side of rectangles. Another way to find the surface area of the rectangular prism is to use the lateral area and the base areas. Lateral of a prism is the sum of the areas of lateral faces. It is important to find the lateral area of the prism of lateral faces and are the faces prism and the not bases. So, the surface area of the rectangular prism is the sum of the lateral area and the area of the two bases. So I have her example. Read the question and answer.
The question is, find the surface area of a rectangular prism whose length, width, and height are 8 cm, 6 cm, and 4 cm respectively. So the solution, ma'am, given is length 1 equals 8 cm, width is 6 cm, height is equal to 4 cm. The formula to find rectangular prism is so this is the formula of rectangular prism. So, in the given problem, in the given area, so the area of the rectangular prism is A equals to 2 times length, height plus width, height plus length and width. So A equals to 2 times 8 times 4 plus 6 times 4 plus 8 times 6. A equals to 2 times 32 plus 24 plus 48. And A equals to 2 times 104. So the area of rectangular prism is A equals to 208 square meter centimeter.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Now we'll find the surface of of cube. So this is area of cube. So, a cube is a square prism. There are 6 surfaces of a cube. The bases and the faces have equal sizes. Cube has 8 edges and 12 edges. To get the surface area of a cube, the 6 pieces is multiplied to the square of the length or side. So I have here an example. Sheila, read the question and answer it.
Okay, the question is if the side wall of a cubic structure has length 7 meters, then find the total surface area. So the solution is the given is 7 meter the length. Then the total surface area is equal to 6, since the cubic prism has 6 sides, cubic area squared. So TSA, or the total surface area, is equal to 6 times the area is 7 squared. Am I right? Okay, or 6 times 7 times 7, since 7 squared is equivalent to 7 squared. So the answer is 294. 6 times 7 times 7 is equal to 294 centimeters squared.
Okay, very good. A round of applause, please. That is the bird. We will find the surface area of bird. Please read the
A sphere is perfectly round and symmetrical solid figure. It has no edges and vertices. It is a curved surface of points that are all of the same distance from the center. Like a circle, the distance from the center of a sphere to the surface is known as the radius.
Okay, another. Who else? Sheila?
The area of a circle that contains the center of the sphere is a radius, the pi times the radius squared, or the pi r squared. It would take exactly 4 of these circles to wrap the sphere completely. The surface area of the sphere with radius r, or the surface area, is equal to 4r squared.
Okay, thank you. Very good. So I have here an example. So, Mr. Alfredo, can you read and answer it?
Example. What is the total surface area of a sphere whose radius is 5.5 meters?
Okay, thank you. Answer.
Okay.
Please answer the Sheila.
Okay, my solution to the given, or to the example, example problem, which is the given is given 5.5 meters. So the surface area, or formula of a sphere, is 4 times the radius times pi r squared. So it's equal to 4 pi r squared. So 4 times pi is equivalent to 3.14 times the radius is 5.5 squared. So 4 times 3.14, the pi, times 5 times 5 squared is equivalent to 30.25. So the surface area of the sphere is 379.94. Thus, the surface area of the sphere is 379.94 meters squared.
Very good. So, Miss Nancy. Okay, class, I have her and Manila paper. So, in your group, you will complete the data in the table below. Example is given for your reference. Write your answer in your answer sheet. Okay, the activity 1. Who answered this activity 1?
Ma'am.
Okay. Hello.
So, number one is the illustration. So, example of a cube. You know that cube has its 4 faces. So that's the example of cube. And next is the rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. So this is the example of rectangular. So, next is the sphere. Sphere. So the description. The number each of faces is a square. So
6.
sa rectangular prism, the number of next the number of faces. So in cube, ang cube nasa 6 faces. Then the rectangular prism has also 6 faces. Right. And in the sphere, 0. Now, and number of edges in cube, there are 12 number of edges. In rectangular prism also has 12. But in sphere, not 0. Next, the number of vertices. So, in cube, has 8. Same sa rectangular prism, also 8. And in a sphere, it's also 0. So ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, let's give hands of activity. So, now, write T if the statement is true and if it is false. So, number 6, please read and answer. Alfredo?
All the faces of a cube are equal. True, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Number 7, please read. Patricio?
A prism is a polyhedron with no congruent bases.
Answer.
False, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, Miss Sheila, number 8.
A pyramid has no vertices. False, ma'am.
Very good. So, number 9. Christian.
Solid have no flat surface, ma'am. False, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And the last, Ano?
A cylinder is two-dimensional solid figure with congruent circular base that are parallel to Roman.
Okay, very good. So, match column A and B. With column B, write the letter of your answer in your answer sheet. So, the base is a polygon and its faces are triangles. Okay,
Ma'am, answer number 1, ma'am.
okay.
So the base is a polygon and its faces are triangles. So the answer, ma'am, is it's a pyramid.
Okay, thank you. So, number 2, Alfredo.
It is composed of two rectangular bases of four rectangular circular bases.
Answer.
Rectangular prism, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Number 3, who else? This way.
Spatial figure have having a circular base on one vertex.
You answer.
Um,
Number 4.
A spatial figure which is perfectly round and symmetrical solid figures with no edge and vertex. Triangular prism, ma'am.
Thank you. So the last number, Arjun, please.
Number 5. A partial figure with two circular base, no edge and no vertex. The third, the cylinder, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Very good, class. So, I will group you into 4 groups. All you have to do is to read and analyze the problem carefully and answer the question in every station. I will give 5 minutes in each group to answer. After 5 minutes, you will proceed to the next station. Am I clear, class? So, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. So, can you answer this group 1? Can you read group 1?
Calculate the cost required to paint a football, which is in the shape of a sphere having a radius of 7 centimeter. If the painting cost of football is INR 2.5 square centimeter.
So, what is your answer? Okay, Stella.
My solution for the example number 1, the total surface area of a sphere is 4 times the radius, 4 times 4 pi r squared. So 4 times 22/7 times 7 times 7 is equivalent to 616 centimeters squared. Therefore, total cost of painting the container is equal to 2.5 times 616 equals 1,540.
Okay, thank you. So, group 2, Patricia.
So question number 2 is you are building a new larger rectangle aquarium for your pet fish. You want the aquarium to be 4 feet long, 1 foot wide, and 3 feet tall. How many square feet of glass do you need to make the aquarium? So our answer answer for number 2, ma'am, is step 1, we identify the length, width, and height of the rectangular prism. We have length equals to 4 feet, width is equal to 1 feet, height is 3 feet based on the given. So, next, we find the surface area using the formula E equals to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height times, and A equals to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. In order to find how much glass we need to find the area of each glass panel. This is the surface area of the aquarium using A equals to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height, and A equals to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. And the values from step 1, we have A equals to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. So equals to 2 times 4 feet, or the length, times 1 feet, the width, plus 2 times the length, which is equal to 4 feet, times the height, which is equal to 4 feet, plus 2 times the width is equal to 1 feet, times the height 3 feet. So it equals to 8 equals to feet squared plus 24 feet squared plus 6 feet squared equals to 38 feet squared. So this step 3, write the answer in a complete sentence. So into this our problem. We'll need, so based on the question, how many square feet of glass do we need to make aquarium? So answer is we will need 13 square feet of glass to build aquarium. So the answer is 38.
Okay, thank you. Miss Vivian, thank you. So how about
Number 3. How many square inches of bubble wrap is needed to completely wrap a box that is 12 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 6 inches tall for shipping? So my solution is, for step 1, identify the length, width, and height of the rectangular prism, which is the length is equal to 12 inches, width is equal to 5 inches, and height is equal to 6 inches. The step 2, find the surface area using the formula A is equal to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. So, since our length is 12 inches times width is 5 inches multiplied by 2 plus 2, the constant, and the width of length is 12 inches times 6 inches plus 2 times 5 inches and 6 inches is equal to 324 inches squared. Step 3. Write your answer in a complete sentence in the context with the word problem. So since we are asked to find the inches long or at all for shipping. So we will need 324 square inches of a bubble wrap to safely ship the box.
Okay, thank you. Very good. So the last group.
If the side wall of cubic structure have length in 7 meters, then find the total surface area.
What is your...
The solution number 4, ma'am, given the length of the sidewall equals 7 meters as per the formula we know. The total surface area, ma'am, was 6 a squared, and total surface area equals 6 times 7 times 7 equals 297 square meters, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So give my hand of applause, please. You really understand the solving surface area of solid figures. So again, class, what do you mean by surface area? Miss Angela?
Okay, ma'am, based on my understanding, surface area is the amount of space covering the outside of the three-dimensional shape. Surface area is the sum of the areas of the bases and the lateral faces of a solid figure. Surface area also measured in square units, such as centimeters squared, feet squared, meters squared, and other units. One way to find the surface area of solid figure is to find the area of its nets.
Very good. How about the formula is given the surface area of sigma? You want? Yeah, Alfredo.
The surface area of a sphere with radius r is a 4 pi r squared.
Okay, very good. How about the formula in giving the surface area of the
Ma'am,
cube? Patricio?
the formula in getting the surface area of a cube is surface area of a cube is expressed and multiplied to the square of the length or side. Is surface area equals to 6 square.
Okay, very good. How about the formula is giving the surface area of prism? Sheila?
Ma'am, the formula of getting the surface area of prism is equal to surface area of the prism is equal to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height and 2 times width times height.
Okay, very good class. So, choose the letter of the answer. Name of the space. What is the name of? What is your answer? Alfredo?
Square pyramid, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Number 2.
Ma'am,
Okay, number 2.
348 centimeter.
Okay, very good. Number 3, please.
Ma'am, 864 millimeters.
Okay, thank you. So, what is the name of this shape?
Ma'am,
Okay, Patricio?
the first figure, the name of the shape is square pyramid. The surface area of a square pyramid is equal to length times area plus b.
Okay, the last this shape. What else? Okay, Sheila?
Ma'am, the next figure is a cube. And the formula of the surface in getting the surface area of a cube is 6 times side square.
Okay, very good class. So, for your answer, for your assignment, give one example of problem solving related to volume of solid figures. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for participation. Good afternoon, class.